what's that, Alana, you're doing?
This is Di Lorenzo Ocean Mist, which is a sea salt, but it's not too heavy or too sticky, so it's really nice to prep the hair with.
Just to give texture.
Yeah, a little bit of texture, not too much, but and hold as well. This will hold, but not too much. It's perfect for this kind of style.
And you always want to comb the side hairline forward. And then see how you can kind of see the wire a little bit there. It's usually because maybe the wire is a little bit too tight, so I usually push it back a smidge, and that way it just sort of cuts a bit of the tension out, and then you can usually pick up any little bits of hair that are stuck under the wire that are making it look like there's something there.
This half of the head, I'll style away from the face, so the curl will be away.
Yep.
This way, and then the other half will go away from the face again.
Yep.
So I'll just get to halfway and then I'll
Swap directions.
swap directions, yeah.
You're using a thinner barrel, aren't you?
Yeah. Well, I don't want it to be like a wave, but not a curl, so I'll brush these out and a bit more textured. You're so beautiful.
Yeah.
I know.
You're so sweet.
Must be really nice.
It's really good. It's really
Yeah, it's great. Life's great.
Yeah.
It's a curl that looks like it's her natural curl, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's beautiful. It just looks even better with the halo in.
Is your hair naturally curly?
It was when I was little.
Yeah.
But like as I've gotten older, it's just kind of like wavy.
Yeah.
Was yours really curly?
Yeah, mine was so curly. Mine was like ringlets and long. Like long, it was like down to my bum and
Has it dropped out now because you straighten it?
I don't straighten it very much, but the curls are not what they used to be,
Yeah, it's
probably
not
because my
fair.
hair is more dry than it was.
So mostly I'm using this on the natural hair anyway, just to lift it at the roots a little bit and just the front to get that extra volume there. This is actually my new favourite product, this one. Really good. See how it just does that?
Yeah. Wow.
So much hair.
No, I love it.
Okay.
J'en ai trouvé une encore plus géniale. En vautrant dans la rue sans faire de pour. Un gratte m'a relevé, il était beau.
Cute.
Il tenait un guitar shop à Pigalle.
So much wind.
Jag, jag, jag. Wow. Jag, jag, jag. Wow. Hey mec, je vais être direct. J'ai pas de quoi payer un grec, un jambon beurre, un hamburger. Tu captes derrière tes lunettes. Pas de thune pour ta maple neck, car j'ai pas sur moi un copec. Autodidacte et bon élève, et pas un grade
how we get the shot.
I'll show you. Like this. Go further away. See like that? And just a little bit.
Mia's scared.
I'm like really scared of this. Sorry, I don't know.
You got this. Okay,
Learn something every day.
Oops. You keep going. That's it.
My little beard now.
And kind of go down here. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Yeah, it just gives a bit of movement. It's just really cute. That's perfect. Do that one again, Mia.